welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Business Wednesday. I think that's what I'm gonna call these. I don't really know. Welcome back to another video on how to run an Etsy shop. How about that? Yeah, that's what we'll call this. Anyway, today's video is going to be a video showing you guys how I format my kits. This has been highly requested, but I never do it because I feel like it's going to be a super long video. Another reason that I have not wanted to do this video is because I was getting asked a lot after I did my previous kit format, and I had just redone all of it, and I was just like, I'm not gonna show that because I'm not reformatting right now, but I did promise that whenever I reformatted my kits that I would show you guys. So that is what I'm doing in this video today, and I've screen recorded it, so hopefully you guys get something out of this video and it helps you guys. But I did want to give you a couple tips before we jump into that footage. Number one, I want to say is that I would start with your full boxes first. Start with your full box page and then work off of that, because you're going to find the colors and everything from those full boxes, or at least that's how I do it. Another thing that I would say is keep stickers on the same page. So I try to keep all of my icons on the same page, all of my full boxes on the same page, all of my half boxes. You know, you kind of get the point. I keep them all together and organize it that way. I feel like that's really going to help you out. So yeah, hopefully those tips help you guys, but I'm going to show you guys when I was reformatting. So this isn't really building a kit from scratch, but it is reformatting. So the format that I switched back to, it was a previous format, but I did do some updating and tweaking on it. So I show you guys that. And I know it's not building a kit from nothing, but I'm still kind of showing you guys my thought process when putting stickers on a page and kind of creating a kit. So hopefully that helps you guys and you learned something from this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like my sticker videos and you want to see more. Also leave in the comments what other videos you guys want to see for our Wednesday business sticker type of videos. Let me know in the comments below what other things you guys want to hear about and want to learn. So yeah, a lot of the questions that I get about stickers I've actually already answered in other videos, so make sure you check the planner sticker playlist because you might find your answer there. But if you don't find it, make sure to leave it in the comments below and I'll try to do a video on it. But yeah, we're gonna stop with this intro and just get into the actual footage of me working on the kit. Okay guys, so a little bit of a bummer. The first clip that I had where I was completely rearranging this first sheet, the file was corrupt. I could not get it to work at all, and basically I just couldn't add it to this video because I couldn't get the file to open. But we're rolling with it, it's fine. So basically this is my new kit format. I did kind of already have it set up because I used to have a very similar format to this last year, and so really there were a couple things that changed. Mainly on this first page, I had, as you can see over to the side, you have headers and bill due stickers. Those used to be right there where the icons were, but I definitely changed out all of that obviously and just have a bunch of icons. I tried to make it super functional but cute with this first page, and I really love the way that it turned out. I think that keeping stickers on the same page and not having them spread out throughout 6 or 8 pages is really nice, and it's really helpful for you and for the person using your kit. And I just prefer kits that kind of look more organized. That's just my personal preference. I just really like it when I know I can find those sheets. And I've seen other people do icons on a couple different pages, kind of spread out, filling up space, and I get that too, but for me, I just like to have everything similar on the page. So as you can see, for example, the full box sheet next to the one that I'm working on, it just has all full boxes. And then there's a couple labels at the bottom because I could fit them in. But honestly, it's mainly just the full box sheet. And I like that because it's everything's on that page. I can find all the full boxes. I don't have to, sort through this. I can just focus on that one sheet when I'm laying down my full boxes. So I definitely recommend when you're starting out, start with your full boxes, build the sheet that way. Once you start and once you get into it, it will be a lot easier for you. I know why people always asked for this video because it can be overwhelming to design a kit, but a couple things to keep in mind. when designing a kit, one, you don't want to copy like somebody else's layout. You don't want to copy somebody like completely what they're doing. Like they're already doing that. Do something different. So what I always like to do, and a good rule of thumb that I always use when creating my kits, is I create them for me. And I know that probably sounds weird because you're like, well, but you have a shop and you probably should create for your customers. But I create the sticker kits for me. I put in stickers that I personally like, that I like to use, and I lay them out the way that I think that I would want them laid out in a kit. And I try, obviously, like, we take inspiration from other shop owners and, like, but you want to be careful. You don't want to just completely copy them. It's okay to, like, be inspired, but there's a fine line between being inspired and copying. So just make sure that at the end of the day, you're making the kit for you and you're making it your own style and your own thing. Like, because the thing is, like, for instance, take my shop. If you were to look at my shop and you felt inspired and you wanted to make the kit just like me, well, there's already a Sticky Situations Co., right? There's already somebody out there selling stickers in this format, this way, whatever. Like, bring something else to the table. I truly 100% believe that there's enough room in this community for everyone because we all have something unique to bring to the table. So tap into your own unique style and your uniqueness, and it will work. I promise. It will work for you if you just focus on being unique and work really hard. It will work for you. So, yeah, there's not really a lot. I feel like there's not really a lot to say about like how to format a kit. I've kind of told you everything that I personally do, and it's really, at the end of the day, it's really just your own creative thing. You know what I mean? Like, nobody can like really teach you how to do a format because there's no right or wrong format for a kit. Like, everybody does something different, and that's the beauty of making stickers, and the beauty of the community is everybody's doing something different with their kits. Like, most of the time you won't find kits that look exactly alike as far as format, as far as style. Everybody's bringing something different to the table, and so there's not really a right or wrong way to format your kits. I mean, I guess, okay, take that back. There's a wrong way. If you were to just flat out copy somebody, that is wrong. Do not do that. But other than that, like, it's up to you. It's your own creative thing that you can do, and I don't know. But I hope that this video kind of helped give you some ideas on how to lay out a kit and what you want to do. I mean, I know why people like question it and like they want to know about it because it is very overwhelming. But just start with one page. Start with your full boxes. Do that, and then move on to your heart checklist. If you guys are going to do like the full box heart checklist, do that page. And like, once you get into it, I promise you, like, it will be so much easier once you start doing it. You will get the hang of it. You will be like, oh, like, okay, like, I got this now. And it might take you hours. Like, when I was first starting out, and like whenever I do a complete reformat, it takes me hours to figure out like how I want this to lay out, and like, but another tip I have is to go ahead and draw out your sheet, how big you want it to be, because then you know all the space that you have to work with. So yeah, but anyway, I hope that these tips helped you. I hope that it made it maybe a little less overwhelming for you guys, and I don't know, maybe you learned something from this. So let me know in the comments below what you think and how you guys are doing with opening your shop. Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and join our YouTube family and learn more about stickers and planning and all kinds of stuff. I really do all kinds of videos. I do lifestyle, makeup, planning, behind the scenes, business videos, all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, click the subscribe button. I think it's here or here somewhere. Click it, join our family, and yeah, then you will see all of my crazy videos. Also, if you want to be one of the first ones to know that I've uploaded, make sure you click the bell notification because YouTube will email you whenever I upload. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.